Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My channel is all about succulents and cacti in my balcony garden and houseplants. Lots of houseplants in my apartment setting. So if that's something that interests you and you want to learn some more about, please feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting that red button down below there. And if this video brings you some value and enjoy it, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up and give it a like. Today I have some subscriber mail, and those are one of my favorite videos to do because I am truly blessed beyond measure to have some of the best subscribers, best friends out there that I haven't met personally, but have, really gone above and beyond and touched my heart. And I think that you're going to be pleasantly surprised by what they've sent me. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's start. Jaclyn, and she has a channel. It's called Dreams of Hoya, and she reached out to me and we did a swap. I sent her a few cuttings and a couple of extra little things, and hers arrived yesterday. All of these things arrived yesterday. I have since taken the plants out of the boxes because I just wanted them to breathe, but they're all in really good shape. So I will be, just sharing them with you, not actually taking them out of the box. But she did send me a little card here. Isn't that cute? Look how cute that is. Just love it. Let me put my eyes on. It says, "Oh, hello there," and it has different cacti on it. And it says, "Carmen, I hope you love your new plants. I would recommend allowing the philodendron to acclimate and continue to root for a while. The cebu blue will be root bound before you know it, in my experience." Happy face. "And I just couldn't resist passing along a cactus that I hope will make you smile. I don't believe you have it yet," which I don't, and I'll show you that in a second. "It has been happy in this pot for just over a year, so you know its history a little, and has liked grow lights. I'm sure it will flourish for Carmen the Cactus Queen." Whoa. I don't know about that. Happy planting, Jaclyn from Dreams of Hoya. Thank you so much, Jaclyn. I love the card along with the plants. And I'll leave you a link to Jaclyn's YouTube channel down below. She does have an amazing Hoya collection, so definitely check her channel out. But the philodendron she was talking about is this heart leaf philodendron. I have one that is on the struggle bus right now, and it's just not doing well. So I will be happy to add this one to it when this one's, acclimated a little bit more. I will add it to it. And then the cebu blue she was talking about, I have one that was a cutting. I haven't even taken this off yet. That was sent to me by Ruthie in Florida. You probably know Ruthie from Succulent Obsession. And that one is doing really, really well, growing a lot. And it was just a couple of leaves when I got it from her. So, and it looks like it has a little leaf there that it's starting to grow, and it's going to be unfurling. So I'll let it acclimate here. And there's another growth point, a couple of growth points down there, so that's nice. So I'll let it acclimate here, and then I will probably add them together to make an even bushier cebu blue. That's wonderful. And both of them cuttings from very special people. Now the cactus, is this a cactus or a succulent? I think it's a succulent that she was talking about. Sorry, I digress there. Is this bishop's cap, and it's in a nice little terracotta pot. I can feel that she watered it before she sent it, and I have been wanting one of these. Look how cute this is. The shape of it, it does look like a bishop's hat, and so big. I will be happy to add this to my collection. I will find a wonderful spot for it. Maybe if it's been used to being under grow lights, I'll probably put it in here in the plant room under the grow lights in here. So I don't know if I'm going to put it outside. I don't know if I want to risk that, but I love it. It's so big. Thank you so much, Jaclyn. I appreciate all of these. Hope you like yours as much as I loved mine. Thank you. So the next set of plants are from a subscriber, Chris. She's just started a YouTube channel also, and she had been in contact with me. She's in Idaho for a while, and she had been wanting to send me these plants, and particularly one that is a wish list plant for me. She had been wanting to send them to me for a while, but since she's in Idaho, she didn't want to send them while it was so cold and, you know, risk damaging them. So she sent them now. So let me just show you what she sent. The first one is a Sansevieria. And I don't believe this is a Zeylanica. I'll have to look and see what exactly this one is, because I don't think I have this one in my collection. The coloring on it and the pattern on it looks different to me than, when it's got another one growing down here, than what I have in my collection. But it's beautiful, and I can feel that it's still moist. Even through this, I can feel that it's cool and moist still. When she was going to send these to me, she asked me if I wanted an Easter cactus that I believe this is a peach one that is from, I'll have to look back on her Instagram message to me. It's from a relative, and the main plant itself is about 20 years old. And I was like, yes, I would love a cutting of that. And look at this huge cutting she sent me. It's in good shape. Whoop, I just tore off a leaf though. And I can see new growth on it. It's doing really well. I believe she said this was an orangey peach color. I have one that is a white color flower. Excuse me. What are you doing under there? You know I'm filming. Can you please hold off until I'm done? Thank you. Okay, before we're so rudely interrupted. So that's those. And then she sent me a couple of Hoyas. She knows that I am becoming a Hoya head. And this, I believe, is a regular, which I have a carnosa, but it's not this big, which is great. So I will definitely pot this up. The leaves feel really nice and thick. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's already trailing. I think I'll go ahead and put this one in that east-facing window hanging, since it's already has a trail that's hanging. That's really nice. Thank you, Crest. I can add that to my Hoya collection. So pretty. And then the Hoya she sent me that is on my wish list is this Hoya Whitehead. And I believe that she found this. This is a portion of the one she found at Home Depot, because it has the angel heart, angel plants tag on it. And so she sent me, it was a really full basket, and she sent me a portion of it. But this is a good size portion. Thank you so much. Isn't that beautiful? It's got a nice little sun stress on it. It's already starting to trail. Love these. And that is a check mark on my wish list with a Hoya Whitehead, because I love the long leaves on it. And you know, I think I've mentioned to you guys before that I love the weeping willow type tree where it just drapes down and just kind of dangles down. And that was one of the reasons that I love this Hoya, because it has that characteristic. I just think it's so wispy and romantic. Lots of new growth on it. Thank you so much, Chris. I appreciate all of these plants, and they're so big, you know. Gosh, they're just wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate you so much. Now, the last item I wasn't expecting. These other boxes and shipments I was expecting and had been in contact with both Jaclyn and Chris. But this next item, when I went to my P.O. box, was a nice little surprise. I have not opened it all because I knew that it was a not a plant when I started to open it. And this is from my friend up in Scottsdale, Juliet. And you may remember Juliet a couple of months ago sent me the beautiful hand knitted blankets for me and for Rosie, and the one that Rosie just loves. And so she sent me another little surprise. And look what she sent me, friends. There's a card in here. Before I get ahead of myself, I'm so excited. Oh, look how beautiful the card is. Very Renaissance type. And on the back, there's information. The artist is William Morris, 1834 to 1896. Was his life, and was an English textile designer, artist, writer, and socialist associated with the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood and the English arts and crafts movement. Very talented man. So she says, lots of love, Juliet, and there is inside a very detailed about the items that she sent me. And she says, thought these would fit in well with your new dining room. Look at this beautiful pattern with the gold edging and the beautiful flowers on it. They're not roses, they're some other type of flower. And it says Carmen on the back. Royal Standard. Look. Can you see that? It says Carmen. This pattern must be named Carmen. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's more stuff in here. Okay. And it is, the pattern is named Carmen. I thought it was just a wonderful opera. But there is a Staffordshire pattern, because on the bottom, see that? It says it too. How wonderful. And it's just gorgeous. Oh, look at this pot. Oh, isn't that full? Jackson and Perkins. I'll have to look this up. This looks like it would be from the 50s or 60s. Such a beautiful cover pot. So much detail on it. Beautiful. I am a little misty. I won't lie to you, I'm a little misty, little verklempt. I am so grateful. Jaclyn, Chris, Juliet, I'm so grateful. I truly am. You guys have been so kind to me, and you know, I don't know if I deserve all of this, but I am blessed beyond measure by God to have such wonderful subscribers and such wonderful friends as you. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Love all of the plants. Love these beautiful, beautiful cup and saucer and pot. The wonderful surprise of having one named after me. I had no idea. I'm going to have to do some research on this. And it's just, you know, a wonderful thing, a wonderful, what's the word I'm looking for? It's like icing on the cake to doing this channel and sharing my love of plants with you guys. But then on top of all that, on top of that joy, I get the wonderful relationship and friendships that I have with you guys. And, you know, when, particularly in this time where, you know, I know we're coming out of it, but we had such a rough year of not being able to have those relationships and friendships and connections. And I still feel that we can now through this community. And I am very thankful for that. And I thank each and every one of you for watching, for liking my videos, for commenting, for just your support. I appreciate that so very much. And I will continue to make these videos for you. I will continue to do my very best for you in sharing my love of plants and vintage things with you. Speaking of vintage things, I do have a shop with me coming up on thrifting. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you in the next video, friends. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.